Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. Today we will be doing a simple Halloween nail art tutorial. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. Halloween is usually represented by pumpkins and ghosts, so I will be adding all these elements to my design. First thing I will do here is apply white gel polish coat as my base. Next, I will use my standard brush to add orange gel nail polish. This will form the base of my pumpkin. Pay close attention to the shape. Next, I will draw the pumpkin ribs using my pointed brush and black gel nail polish. For the stalk, I am applying black gel nail polish with my pointed brush. For the ghost, first thing to do is use your pointed brush to carefully apply white gel nail polish. After this, use your dotting tool to create the ghost's hand. For the eyes, I am using my dotting tool to add black gel polish. For the mouth, I am using my pointed brush to apply black gel nail polish. And there you have it. An easy Halloween nail art design. We have gone through how to draw a pumpkin and how to draw a ghost on a nail. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.